no. Igwe, she is not an option at all. She is not going to work here in this palace. Yes, just take a good look at that girl. She is way too polished for this kind of job.
This sounds unbelievable. What is wrong in this young, innocent-looking and charming girl? This is an opportunity we cannot throw away in this palace. The girl is well-trained, well-educated, very religious like her parents. This girl you are seeing here studied home management at the Federal Polytechnic, not even State Polytechnic. What are you talking?
My king, even at that, she is not going to work here. I mean, how can we have a girl like this under the same roof with fully grown men?
Fully grown men? Who and who are fully grown men here? Is it not I and Harry? I hope you are not questioning my fidelity, Agatha.
My king, I know what I am talking about. Harry is here, remember? And you know how he is with women.
To the best of my knowledge, Harry, our son, is no longer a kid. Yes. He can control himself. Yes. Think about it yourself. And this Maureen is well behaved, well trained. Is such a disciplined lady who cannot give up to pressure. She is well behaved.
Dad, you seem to know her too well.
My princess, well, I don't know. What I'm saying is that this girl in question grew up right before my eyes. I knew her from the scratch when she was a baby. And the father gave her adequate training. Then, if you assume that I know her too well, I think, yes, I do.
The truth still remains. That girl will not work in this palace. Period.
What is the secret relationship going on? Hey, what is this?
What exactly are you here for?
It's a long story. I don't know where to start from, but I promise to tell you much later. What are you doing here?
I've missed you.
I missed you too.
I came here for the job as well. Wait, you are here for a palace job?
Like I said, it's a long story, but...
Rich, I don't want to believe that. You are here.
Wait. Hey. What is happening? Hey. Can you drink the secret at this palace? So, both of you are here giving each other a spoon. That's my practice. You are telling him what they ask you inside.
You need to calm down.
Calming down. I cannot calm down. See, I cannot calm down. They're paying me here. If I'm coming down, I will not receive salary. Do you understand? I'm the chief general commandant of this palace. So, both of you must respect me. What are you here in the corner discussing?
You're just a security man, oh.
I'm security man.
You're just a security man.
I will secure you now. Now move it.
You're just a pest.
Best. Let me best and collect my salary. Move it! And never! Okay?
Sir, can I get something cold to drink?
Cold. Where you came for interview. If you start working, you will drink ice block. Move it! Can you imagine? You want to get something cold when you have not started working. Me, have I taken anything cold? Is it not hot water that Igwe is giving me? Huh? You care for what?
Yep, it was for friendship.
Ooh, I like that. Prince Harry, honestly, I was so devastated when I couldn't get that job. I mean, I was frustrated, I was disappointed.
Well, some disappointment is a blessing in disguise.
That's true. But Harry, if that's okay with you.
I'm fine. Come on.
Okay, so I was wondering, a man like you, a prince, you're not just any regular guy that will settle for an ordinary girl like me. So what tickles your fancy? What do you see in me that you like? I mean, you can have any girl at your beck and call, but why me?
You're not far from the truth. You see, so many girls in this kingdom, if not all the girls, they want to lick me like a lollipop. When I walk past them, I hear them whispering, "Look at this handsome, good-looking prince." Count yourself lucky.
So I'm lucky.
Of course you're lucky.
Okay.
Okay. Drink up, finish your drink. Let's go to my room.
Alright.
Let's continue from where we started.
Okay.
So you have worked in a five-star hotel as a chef before?
Not really. I mean, yes, I have worked in so many hotels.
Oh, wow. So that means you can cook any kind of meal. You can do continental, French, Chinese, even traditional meals.
Very important.
Yes.
Yes. Yeah.
That's awesome.
Mention 5-star hotels you have worked for.
Sir, I have worked.
My king, that is not important. What is important now is if he can deliver. And I'm sure he will. My friend spoke highly of him. Let's give him a quick test.
Right.
Yeah. Ada, show him to the kitchen. Let him fix noodles. I think that one is easier and faster.
Okay.
No, not noodles. Noodle is very simple to prepare. And anybody can prepare noodles. Prepare for us real food. If possible, like my daughter said, traditional food. Traditional.
Yes, Dad, we should put him to test. Let's do it. I'm starving already. Come on.
What is the secret relationship going on? Hey, what is this private lifestyle in the royal home? Everybody's playing a dating game. No one to be believed. They are living a crazy life in the royal house. Give me Ghana soul. Hey, Abu give me Ghana soul. Give me Ghana soul. Abu give me Ghana soul. Everybody is lost. Naneme. Okwa miri mabani sino kedisi kandida ya dizio. Everybody is a suspect and
Greetings, Prince Harry.
Oh, you know my name?
Who doesn't know the famous prince of this great land? Of course I know you, my prince.
You don't look like someone from this kingdom. I doubt if I've seen your face before.
Well, I am not from this kingdom, my prince. But that doesn't mean you know everyone from this kingdom.
Oh, my eyes are only for beauties. I hardly forget beautiful faces.
Oh.
Good day, Prince Harry.
I guess you're here for the job.
Yes, my prince, I'm here for the job.
All right. Consider yourself taken.
Thank you, my prince.
Yes, sir.
Judex, let me test small now from this delicious food.
Test what?
Let me test.
I told you I'm the cook here. See, let me tell you. There is no any kind of food that I cannot cook.
Really?
There's no any kind of food that I cannot prepare. I don't know why Igwe is trying to waste his money, trying to get a cook when I'm here. Yes, he will give me double payment.
Hey!
Eh?
Wait, see, Jude, I heard that guy is coming to cook delicious food for us.
For you people, not for me. Because I have stove, I have pot.
And what in the world is going on here? What is this?
My princess, you came well, oh. You came at the right time. We are cooking.
Yes,
No hunger is in the land.
Yes, very, very well.
Yes, sir. Hunger, bring plate.
Okay.
Tell the princess in the garden.
Okay.
What am I?
You must be out of your mind. Something is seriously wrong with you. You are cooking outside the palace. My friend, will you remove this before I report you to the king?
You can't bring plates. Let me cook for princess. You can't bring plates. Where you go?
Do you want me to kick this now? Is that what you want?
Please, don't cook it. Don't kick it. You know how this lady, if she kicks it out now, you know that my stomach doesn't have patience like that.
Guys, don't throw away my food.
No,
look at this man.
My stomach don't get
Go, take it to Nkwa market. Don't say that I will stay there and cook.
Hey.
If she kicks it out,
Hey. You are needed inside. The king wants you to do something for him now.
So we cannot cook again. You know how our condition is. Eh? Now from kitty without area. Eh? But on a jersey without area. Eh? It's like I will resign from this job and look for another thing to do. How can I be in the palace? I will not eat. He will report me to the king. Nam again. Nam nazon. Bia. Hey!
I am satisfied with the young man. There is nothing wrong in the young man working in the palace. We are safer.
But you don't know what young men of these days are capable of doing. Young men of these days are very mischievous. What if one day he rapes you or Adobe?
God forbid. He will not do that.
Well, I am not comfortable for him to work here with us because I am concerned of security.
My king, we're concerned about the same thing. We don't need ladies around. We can afford to have a repeat of our experience with the past workers.
Then we have to employ 3 of them. The 2 ladies and the young man. But I will put my eyes on that young man. If I suspect any foul play from him, I will sack him.
Iwe, you don't need to worry. Richard seems to me like the kind of man that will mind his business in this palace. I think we should employ him.
And the lady too, Maureen.
Well, in that case, Ma should also work with them.
Can you imagine? Do you know that if not that I saved this food, this girl would have kicked it off and would have.
She will not even try it. She will spoon of Guboya. No, para.
She was just coming out.
How much about this pot?
Yes, now this expensive stuff like this and food.
Nonsense. Say, I'll report you to the king. I'll report you to the king. Because Nana has on
which king?
Eh?
She was coming and she didn't was noticed. You see the way her nose as she was talking, that she was perceiving the aroma.
Don't mind that. She was angry. Do you know? She was angry that I can cook more than her father. Even more than her. Because even if we cannot cook this kind of Indomie.
Wow, that's monkey man. How where will he get it from? You cannot cook like this now.
Nonsense. Because somebody is working here, they will kill us with hunger.
I will report you to my father.
See,
report you to my father.
When
Drive you out of
he wake up police for me. I'll tell police people. Police, are you arresting me because of I'm cooking? And when can nazo? Afom can nazo to eat. Nazo afom. They want to call police for me. Don't mind them.
Judex, seriously, if you put application letter, even ShopRite, they will make you their chief head cook.
I told you.
You are very good.
I don't know why Igwe is waiting his money. Yes, he will give me a double payment.
Yes, now.
I'll be working as a guard and as a chef.
Chief
cook. Chef,
and chief cook and chief chef.
You see, Igwe, if Igwe give me the position to be cooking, you see that his stomach to be bigger.
Hey,
I will make it bigger.
I told you, this is the best food I've ever
eaten. Igwe will be bigger.
Hey.
Let them give me.
Yes.
Say, Jude, start cooking for us. You see that princess? Do you know what brought her out? She was perceiving the aroma of the food. From inside. Didn't you see that she was bending her nose when she was coming?
As she was coming, I say,
the ShopRite people come to our house. Who is cooking this kind of delicious food?
And she's simply jealous of you.
Jealous of me?
Yes, because you are a good cook. She's jealous of you.
Do you know that very soon princess will start toasting you?
You seem very skillful in the kitchen.
Yes, I am. And thanks for the compliment.
Oh, that's nice. That means I have a lot to learn from you. Will you teach me?
Sure, I will. It's not a problem at all.
Okay, I'll leave it to it then. But I'll come around every now and then in case you need anything. Anything at all.
That's okay. That's okay. It's not a problem.
What is the secret relationship going on? Hey, what is this private lifestyle in the royal home? Everybody's playing a dating game. No one to be believed. They are.
I want to congratulate both of you for making it out of the many that applied. Both of you are found worthy to work in the palace.
Thank you, my queen.
Good conduct, diligence, and morality is the watchword here. We will not tolerate anything less. Most importantly, whatever happens in this palace remains in the palace. Is that clear?
Yes, my queen.
Yes, my queen.
Good. You may now go get your things. You're resuming work fully by tomorrow morning.
Thank you so much, my queen.
What is the secret relationship going on? Hey, what is this private lifestyle in the royal home? Everybody's playing a dating game. No one to be believed. They are living a crazy life in the royal house. Give me camera so. Hey, up give me camera so. Give me camera so. Up give me camera so. Everybody is like.
I told you guys that this guy is a very good cook. I have not tasted something like this in a very long time.
Truly, this is so good. So tasty, Dad. Oh my God. This is good.
Richard, you are good. Congratulations.
Thanks. Thank you, Your Highness.
Mom, this is so good.
Yes, dear.
So good, Dad. I really love it. Like, I think I'm going to get some cooking lessons from you.
That'll be right. That'll be nice.
Dad, what do you think about the food?
Manageable. Very good. I'm not satisfied.
Very good, Dad. Thank you very much, Dad. What is fantastic about this food? No, what is good about this food? It's not the same food we are eating.
What is... I don't understand. What is special in this food? What is special in this food? Rubbish for tea. I wonder why you are singing praises about this food.
Why is there so much praises about this food? Mr. Man.
Sir.
Did you taste this when we were cooking it?
Yes, sir, I did.
Huh?
I did, sir.
You need to shut up and take some cooking lessons from him. Like, what's wrong with you? How do you not think this is nice? This is superb. He did a great job.
Okay. Enough, both of you.
What?
Enough.
Are you blind too? Can't you see? The food is good. It's great.
I said enough, both of you. Can't you two have a decent discussion? Richard, you did well. You may go now.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you.
Yeah. You're welcome. It's a great meal. So nice.
It is. Try it again. I don't think you've tasted it. My king, just try the food.
That is nice. Just give it a chance. Eat more. You will love it.
You better go and look for something for both of us to eat.
Okay? Thank you,
My
Dad.
king.
Everybody is lost.
Judesco, you mean my fellow guy prepared this delicious food
I'm telling you.
This is.
You see, in this life, you don't look down on people. Because you don't know what somebody can do.
Oh, yes.
Give somebody a trial. Hmm? Do you know that the way as beautiful as that boy is, I did not know that he can cook. Yes, now. That boy is not handsome. He's beautiful.
Yes, that is why.
With the red lips. Who would have believed that he would know how to even on matches?
That is why you don't judge a book by its cover. That I know, Jidesco.
Now I'm happy that we have our line in the kitchen now. Yes. We have a man in the kitchen.
Yes, it's better.
In 2 days, me and you will fat.
Hey!
We'll grow fat. Because he will understand what his men are passing through.
See, you know what will happen? Eh? We will make him our friend so that he'll be giving us big food and big
Are you talking
meat.
about that one? If that boy is a girl, by now I would have toasted him.
Hey, you the former.
I'm telling you.
No correct when it comes to girls.
I would have toasted. See, let me tell you, from today, he's my best friend.
Hey!
Yes, now.
Hey!
From today, he's my best friend. He gave us 1 meat today. Tomorrow I will tell him to give us 5. How many Tanyarap? I'm telling you.
You will wreck this palace. Man, no deal.
Afam Kanazo. If we go up him, if we come Afam Kanazo. Let him give us 5 meat after we are the ones suffering here.
Yes, every day you take gates.
If they stand here,
I go inside.
If we will be inside.
Hey, go and do this for me. Go.
Receiving AC.
Eat.
5 meats tomorrow. Let him confess. I can't wait for him to start work.
Jidesco. This is paradise.
Do you know that if both of us continue to eat that thing the princess is cooking, that pot, hey. Wonder 1 week, your beers will fall off. It is like on your channel, man.
We will be like person we get kwashoko.
You kwashoko, you are the heavier than you.
Hey! God forbid. This is paradise.
In fact, I will go home and come back and reply again.
Hey, Jidesco. You are my man. Hey, Jidesco. This is paradise. You know
before you go change your mind.
It is the secret relationship going on. Hey, what is this private lifestyle in the royal home? Everybody's playing a dating game. No one to be believed. They are living a crazy life in the royal house.
Oh, my soul can now rest in such of a man to be mine. What a handsome man. And now he has swept me off my feet with his meals. Oh my God. These are the things I so much cherish in a man. How am I going to make him know I love him? Richard, you must be the husband of this princess. Whatever it would take, I am going to make sure you become mine. I don't care what anyone has to say. My love for you has come to stay. Yes.
The question is what's going on? What's going on?
What a lovely boy. I wish you came with your things. You wouldn't have gone back. What a long night. Let your face be the first thing I will see tomorrow morning. Now I have made them to see that you are good in what you do by the roadside. I am so happy. You have made me proud today. Whatever it takes, I'm going to protect you in this palace. You will have your own room, my special chef. Love you, my baby.
Oh, my second wife in the making. Whatever it will cost me, I must protect you in this palace. My girl, no woman has ever made me feel this way. I can't wait to see you tomorrow. I will make sure you have your own room alone, because you are a special maiden to me. Sweet dreams, my baby.
Hey. Abugini Kanazo. Gini Kanazo. Abugini Kanazano.
My king, my queen, greetings.
Naija, you're welcome.
Thank you. Greetings, my prince, my princess.
You're welcome, my dearest. Take a bag inside.
Guards,
Your Highness.
take her into her.
You don't know how to treat people.
Hurry! I said leave the bag.
I can do it, my prince. Thank you. Please, can you direct me?
Show her the way in.
It means
that you want to carry the bag.
After
Yeah,
People said he's his friend's daughter, so I don't see her as a commoner.
Harrison.
You want to carry the bag of a commoner?
What do you mean?
You're supposed to be the prince.
It means that's very bad of you. That's what she means.
Harrison, that's very wrong of you. You have to behave yourself in this palace, especially where this girl is. Are you hearing me?
Chame.
Oh, Iche.
Chame, baby.
Now, what else you want me to do? See, they almost caught us the other time. Do you know what you said I should do for him? Do you know?
What else does he want? Eh? What else does that vagabond want? I have given him money. What else? Ageburu Okoko. Eh? Ageburu Okoko. See, I want you to come to the house in the evening. I will give you more money. Yes. Hey God, I have money.
If I come to the house, you will not touch me. Oh. See, the other day my father almost caught us. You will not touch me.
That touching... no, your father cannot do anything. He is my friend. I know how to manipulate him. Didn't you see how I did it the other day? I took him inside and gave him drinks. And he left happily. I am in charge. Anytime you are with me, don't have any fear. I am in charge. Etiko is in charge.
Okay. Don't touch me if I come. Don't touch me, please. I don't want you to touch me when I come to the house. Don't touch me, Iche, please.
No, I will not touch you. I will not touch you. I'll just give you money. You will be happy and go.
Yeah.
No touching.
I'll come. I'll come.
I am Chana. Are you sure?
I'll come now.
Are you sure, Choma?
Iche said I will come. Just go for somebody who will see us
if
together.
you disappoint me, I will die.
Iche, go now. Somebody might see us here. Go.
Maka okunaga wawa manya wawa mnafukwana deni female wagio otika aseke chimwayo jena ay obolotika sia ay ichie weno de shema. Whatever you do in the dark, you must be exposed to in the light, yo. Nothing is here.
Good afternoon, Igwe.
Good afternoon. You're welcome.
Welcome.
Who brought this into the palace?
Yes. You're welcome. Please hurry. Work has started.
Thank you.
Who brought this into the palace?
Mom, where's the chef though? The chef, he's supposed to be here by now, right? You should be cooking already. I'm hungry.
Ada, please show them to their room.
Please, I'll do that later. Let me just wait a little bit.
No, I'm just trying to open this door.
Trying to open what?
The door. Mori is stranded outside. I don't know where Adaobi is, so I said let me help out.
Give it to me. Momo Mori. What is your business with Momo Mori? Don't try to call her that name again. Anyway, I know the key that will open the door. Let me open it for her. Okay?
Father, you are the king. You're supposed to be in your throne and be relaxing. Let me do all this job.
That is even what I have said. Moreover, the girl in question is my friend's daughter. I want to make sure that she is comfortable and nothing worries her here.
Father, I am your son. Your son should be able to help your friend's daughter to be comfortable in your palace.
Harrison.
Sir?
You must behave. Because I can see now that you are doing what you are supposed not to do. The girl that just arrived, you are calling her Momo. Where is she murmuring you to? Just behave. Better.
Sorry, sir.
Adobe, what is keeping you from showing the girls their room? Let them keep their things and start work.
Oh, don't worry about that. Harry's taking care of that move.
Oh, yeah, okay.
Oh, that must be him. Open the gate!
Yes. Who is that?
Richard.
Oh.
You've reached.
Oh, there he is. What kept you so long?
My queen.
What kept you?
I'm sorry, I had a few things to sort out before coming.
Oh.
That's okay.
It's fine.
Let me help you with your bag.
No, don't worry, I can help myself.
It's okay, I will help you. Let me help you.
No, don't worry, I can help myself.
Okay.
I'll just go straight into the kitchen.
Yes, make yourself comfortable. I would, yeah.
Yes.
Adobe, what was the meaning of that? What do you think you were doing? A princess trying to carry a bag of a commoner?
Mom, you were just about to do the exact same thing. You tried to carry his bag. You're a queen. Act like it.
Queen?
So, Chima, this should be your room. Mori, that's your room. Okay. We decided to put you both in different rooms so that you can enjoy your stay here. Okay?
Thank you, my princess.
Good. Richard?
Yes.
Your room is the girls' quarters. I will show you.
Richard.
Ma.
Come with me. Let me show you some clothes.
Yes, my queen.
Oh.
Yes,
It's okay. So, you will drop your bags and I'll show you around the palace and spell out to you your job descriptions, okay?
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
This is not the right time. This is not the right place to do this.
Baby, relax. I live here. Allow me to worry about being caught.
No.
Darling.
No.
I have missed you so much. I couldn't take my eyes off you yesterday,
Listen,
baby.
I still don't like it here. I don't feel comfortable. What if someone sees us? What if someone walks in on us? It's not right.
Baby, nobody will. Igwe does not come out till lunch. Harry is still on bed. And he doesn't come out early because he sleeps late. Okay? Adobe is still with the girls. So relax, my darling.
I'm not
I am
comfortable.
in charge here, baby. Don't you miss me? Come on, don't you miss your mama? Come give me a hug. Come on. That's my darling. Oh, I missed you.
Greetings, my prince.
Hello, dear. I hope you like the room.
Yes, my prince, I like the room. Beautiful.
Oh, I would prefer you call me by my name, Harry.
No, my prince. It's a respect I need to accord you. I can't address you as Harry. Please, my prince. I'm trying to unpack my stuffs.
I can see.
Hello, dear. Hope you're okay.
Greetings, my king. I'm fine.
Harry,
Father.
what are you doing here?
Oh, I just came to check up on her. To see if she's okay and if she likes the room.
It's okay. You can now go and check on the other maid in Mma. Go now.
Okay, Father.
How is your father?
He's fine, Your Majesty. He's very okay.
I really came to check if you are okay.
Of course you know I'm fine, Your Majesty.
Yes, you'll be fine. You'll be okay in my house. Huh? Yes.
And Your Majesty, my prince, come on, what do you want to do? Someone might be coming.
Nobody's coming in here. No one is coming.
Even if no one is coming, my king, we need to keep it down. I just arrived. Come on, we need to take their eyes off our relationship. Don't worry, you know you're a good boy. And as always, I know how to take good care of you. Give you the warmth massage. You've been the warmth massage you've always deserved, my dear king. You know, right? So just come on, let's go.
Lock this door.
Wait. Where are you going? Do you want to put me into trouble?
No, let me send it out. Probably somewhere else.
We should think of what to do first.
Okay. Hold on, babe. I think it's gone. Huh? Yes, it's gone. But we need to get out of here immediately.
We need to wait, let me check. That was close. I almost got caught. What kind of nonsense is this? What am I doing? Oh, so how are you enjoying your first day working in the palace?
So far, so good, my prince. It's been awesome.
Like I told you before, I prefer you call me by my name. So listen, I don't like all these praises. My prince, your royal highness, your majesty. Call me by my name. So listen, I'm a very simple person. I would prefer if you call me by my name, Harry.
But my prince, I'm not calling you. Be honest.
What seems to be the problem here?
Nothing. Nothing, Mom.
Maureen, you should be working.
Yes, Your Majesty.
That is why we employed you here. Not to go around chit-chatting.
Yes, Your Majesty.
Now, off to your duty.
Yes, Your Majesty.
I was the one to stop her. I just want to have some big discussion with her.
Harry, you have to be very careful in this palace. There are lots of beautiful girls out there. You can find yourself one. These girls are here to work, and that is final. Is that clear?
And what is wrong? Having a harmless discussion with the domestic staff?
Huh? I do not want a repeat of what just happened. I hope I've made myself clear. Excuse me.
Oh, Mom, who locked the door?
Oh, I did. But it's open now. You can go check for yourself.
Mom, I am so tired. Taking the new domestic staff around the palace was not easy. Oh, plus I'm hungry.
Oh, you are? Richard is preparing breakfast.
Oh, he is? Yes. Okay then, I should go hurry him up so that, I'm famished.
Ada, there's no need for that. And I want to tell you that I don't like the way you're getting too close to Richard.
Mom!
Yes. I saw the way you were all over him since yesterday. I mean it.
My friend.
Yes.
You sent for me.
Oh, yes, I did. Go and get pen and paper so that you can write the list of food items we need for the week.
List of food items?
Yes.
Food. I'm going now.
No one to be believed. They are living a crazy life. In your house, in the camera, so up in the camera, so
Good morning, Richie.
Good morning, Princess Adobe. I'm sorry. Breakfast will be ready in 10 minutes.
10? That's too much.
I'm really sorry. Breakfast is coming late today, but I promise to improve on the timing from tomorrow. Thank you.
Okay. Smells nice. What's for breakfast?
I'm making something small with noodles and some fried eggs.
Oh.
Yes.
Okay. That's nice.
Thank you.
Do you mind if I watch you cook?
Sure. I mean, no. It's okay. It's okay.
Good. I'll just chill with you and learn some of your recipes. What can I do to help? Anything.
Sorry. I'm sorry, but I have everything sorted. Thank you, Princess
Really?
Adobe. Yes.
You sure?
Yes, Princess Adobe.
So you're good?
Yes. Good. Princess Adobe.
Adobe.
Huh?
Adobe is just fine. No princess.
Oh, okay. Princess sorry. Adobe.
With due respect, my prince, I'm not comfortable with all this. I'm not.
Come on, Mary. If it's all about my mother, don't worry, I will handle it. Listen to me. We can have a serious relationship in this palace without anyone knowing about
My
it.
prince, this has got nothing to do with your mother. Nothing at all. I didn't come here to have a relationship with you. I came here to work. But that's exactly what I'm doing.
But I can't help it. I care so much about you. I love you so much. All I'm asking for is just a chance. Just give me a chance.
Excuse me, my prince.
Murray.
Ada, what are you doing here?
Duh. I'm learning his recipes. I'm learning how to cook from him.
Have you forgotten you once told me you hated this part of the house? So how come this sudden interest?
Well, all of a sudden I developed interest in cooking. Is there anything wrong with that? Besides, you're the one that has been hounding me to learn how to cook. So here we are. He's teaching me.
You, Mr. Chef.
Sir.
How long are we going to wait for the food to be ready?
Shortly, my prince.
Don't worry, the food will soon be ready. And once it's ready, Richard will serve it. Chef, let's cook. You need to the eggs? The what?
Mom, I know what I'm saying. I know when a woman is in love with a man. I have never seen Ada be getting along with anybody the way he's getting along with Richard. Mom, it is not too late to send that boy back.
But Adobe can't be stupid to fall for Richard.
Mom, a woman can act stupidly when she's in love. I know what I'm saying, Mom. That boy is dangerous. I have never been in support of that boy coming to this house to become our chef.
Shut up, Richard.
Mom, he's dangerous. It's not too late to send him back.
I said shut up! Richard is going nowhere. It's obvious you don't like that young man. Give him a space. I said give him a space. As for Adobe, I'll caution her.
Mom, if Richard tries anything funny in this palace, I won't spare him. It's a promise.
Hurry. Hurry. Hurry!
Jude, I'm tired. I'm very tired since yesterday night. I've been standing. There's too much work in this house.
I'm telling you.
My leg hurts.
Hi. My brother. You see here, it's a marathon race. You cannot sit down. You will, if you say, let me close small eye, bam, princess will jump down. William, will you get up from there? Will. Oh, Lola will roam about. Come here, active. Go and do this one. This place, what you gonna say?
I've been standing since. No, my leg hurts. I feel pains.
Sorry.
Eh?
Sorry. You can only rest in peace. You want to rest here.
The one that annoys me the most is that what's that stupid boy's name?
Prince Harry.
That guy he's too full of himself. He's too proud.
Harry doesn't have problem. The only problem that guy has is woman. You see as he is. The only problem he has is women. Women are the problem. And even that you're a woman. By now, he has turned you upside down. Finish you. If I don't walk like this by now, I'm telling you, he's ready to die on top of a woman. He likes women the way I like food. I'm telling you, the only difference between us is that I like food. He likes women.
He's too proud and pompous.
And me, apart from food, I don't have problem. Hey, but I'm happy you are here. Super chef.
Judy, let me go and rest.
Okay.
I'm tired. My leg hurts.
Okay.
I'll get some rest before these people come now. You know how they do. They'll call Richard, where's Richard? We want food.
See what you do. Enter your room, close door, off your phone, close your ear. This pillow.
Jude,
close your
me. Off my phone. You want to put me to trouble?
If they ask me about you, I'll tell them I don't know where Richard is.
You're not a good person.
I'm covering you up.
You want to put me into trouble?
I'm covering you up as my man. I'm covering you up. But it's please, Alpha. His food will still remain even if
Jude! I gave you food.
I told you. I like food so much.
The food is finished. You should have told me you were hungry.
I like food.
You eat too much in this house.
Exactly. I like food. So you want to get my pachata another small?
You are very unserious.
Mountain Kilimanjaro, please.
You are very
Make it Mountain Kilimanjaro. Because I like food though, the way praise like woman. I
wasn't expecting you so early.
I can't wait till later. My wife has gone to bed.
Are you sure?
Now, yes. I am sure. Let us hurry up so that I'll go back to my room before she finds out that I'm not there. My baby.
Wait. No, wait.
What is it now? What is it?
Stop it already. What's that? Don't you know when a woman is in need? I told you something. I told you I need money. And you're here holding me. Have you given me the money I asked for? I need money now.
What is the secret relationship going on? Hey, what is this private lifestyle in the royal home? Everybody's playing a dating game. No one to be believed. They are living a crazy life in the royal house. Give me Ghana soul. Hey, Abu give me Ghana soul. Give me Ghana soul.
Where could he be at this time of the night?
Everybody is lost. Okwamiri maboni sino kedisi kandida ya dizio. Everybody is a suspect and everybody is the offender. The question is what's going on? What's going on? What is the secret relationship going on? Hey, what is this private lifestyle in the royal home? Everybody's playing a dating game. No one to be believed. They are living a crazy life in the royal house.
Hey, Prince, do you know what the time is saying? Why are you roaming about? When you're supposed to be in the kitchen preparing meal?
My prince, I'm sorry. I was trying to wash some of the dishes before I go to bed. But my prince, what are you doing here? Are you trying to see Maureen?
Am I not the prince of this kingdom? Am I not the heir apparent to the throne? I have every right to check everywhere, every room, even the kitchen, before I go to bed. Where were you going to?
Sir, I am the chief chef of this kingdom. I'm trying to make sure all the dishes are properly kept before I go to bed.
All the dishes. So that's the kitchen, right? All the dishes.
Yeah, this is the kitchen, sir. I saw you there.
Shut up your mouth. Listen to me. I don't want to see you close to this environment, this place. Don't even think of coming to this room or even go. Shut up your mouth there.
I work in the kitchen, sir.
So?
You said this environment. Where exactly?
Like this. This place. And listen.
Sir.
If I see you close to mommy, see you close to her, that will be your last day in this palace. Is that the king?
Yes, sir.
Get out. Wait.
Sir, what would you like for dinner?
My baby, don't worry. By tomorrow I will send you money, okay?
I trust you. Thank you so much, my king.
Thank you. Wish I could spend the rest of the night with you. I am so addicted to you.
Oh, baby. I know. I know you love me so much. But you know, we can't afford any form of scandal for now. We have you and the villagers to protect.
That's right. I so much appreciate your understanding.
My king.
But I believe one day we'll spend the whole day together.
That's not a problem. If you want that to always happen, you know exactly what to do. Make me your wife. I wouldn't mind.
My dear, my major constraint here is my family. Marrying another woman will impose very serious effect on my family. I love my family and I love you too. But I have to balance.
You really have to balance it. Honestly, you have to. Are you not a king? You have the right to marry as many wives as you please. Calm
down.
No, you don't have to tell me to calm down. Remember, I am here on your request. You have to do something about us. What about me? What about my feelings? I've been doing this with you not for a very long time. Also,
my dear,
I don't deserve to be a queen, right?
Calm down, calm down.
Please,
you see, you are not going to regret us.
Then do something.
Just keep being a good girl that you are. Okay?
The good girl I'm doing is not fetching me anything.
I am sure you will not regret it at all. Okay?
What don't I do? What don't I do? Just tell me.
Okay. It's
okay. What your wife cannot do.
It's okay.
I do everything.
Calm down. It's okay.
How am I going to sleep this night without touching this girl? I can't get her off my mind. Now this fool came around. Should I go back there? Why am I losing my mind on this girl? I can't even control my feelings.
And everybody is the offender. The question is what's going on? What's going on? What is the secret?
My prince. I thought it was a ghost.
It is not. It is your ghost, idiot.
Why are you roaming about?
Why are you roaming about? When human beings are sleeping, you people are awake. Why are you not sleeping too?
I'm the palace guard, chief palace guard. I'm supposed to be awake. Why you should be asleep? I'm here. Collect fresh air. There's AC in your room. Why are you roaming about?
That AC will kill you, and you that is roaming about. Don't I have right to check everywhere in the palace? You're telling me I'm roaming about. I don't know if I will kill your head.
It is my job to check everywhere.
It is my job to check everywhere too.
Is there any problem?
No, there's no problem. You that have a problem.
My prince, What is the problem? Eh? Why are you roaming about? Oh, you are coming from backyard. Is there any problem? I should be here looking around to make sure there's no criminal or mosquito jumping inside.
Nonsense. Every time people blocking somebody. When you people are supposed to be sleeping, you stopping somebody.
I'm guarding you. I'm guarding you to make sure no animal come near you. My prince.
Move.
Why are you roaming about? You are not
Go.
You should be sleeping.
Get out. You should be. Are you mad? Are you mad? Are you that will tell me when to sleep?
Sorry. You are a prince, crown prince. If you can give me your crown, let me become the prince.
That crown will kill your head, idiot.
Sorry.
Move.
Good night. Give me your crown. Let me become the prince. You become the guard. I should be sleeping by now, snoring. Eh? This one, the prince, is not sleeping. What is the problem? Why is he walking around where the maidens are sleeping? This one is coming from maidens' room. Especially that one that is big. I don't know. Let me not conclude. Please, if you are tired of being a prince, give me your cap. My father has betrayed me. Let me become the prince. Hey! Never! I must wait till dawn. This is my job to suffer. Why are you supposed to be sleeping? Not yet, you refuse to sleep. I wonder what is making the rich to cry. Rich people should be sleeping by now. Let poor people guide them. Yet, poor people will not sleep. Eh? They're walking up and down.
Richard, you will leave this house today.
Your Highness, I'm sorry, but we weren't doing anything.
Yes, Your Highness.
Come on, shut up your mouth. You wearing...
Come on, shut up your mouth. What do you mean we weren't doing anything? You fool. Huh? Men harlots.
He's telling the truth, my prince. We weren't doing anything. He was only telling me about his life experience.
Will you shut your mouth up? Shut that your trap up. You're the one living this palace. And now, yes, she must leave.
No way.
Good.
Richard, you go in there, pick up your things. You must leave now.
That's not fair. She's the one that should leave.
Come on, shut up your mouth. What do you? He's leaving.
Your Highness,